Hi everyone, I'm Meenakshi from the editorial team of SCM Spectrum. SCM Spectrum is an online news portal that serves as a comprehensive hub for logistics, supply chain related information and insights. Today we have got an opportunity to interview Anish Kumar, the CEO of PixTech Labs Private Limited. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, welcome.
Thank you. So, how effective do you think the Indian semiconductor machine is in terms of attracting the global players?
Uh, Coming to your point, India is going to be the major hub for all the semiconductor industries, and we do see a lot of facilities that is being provided by the government, and there's a lot of greenfield projects that's happening on semiconductor industries. So, India looks at semiconductor industries as a major industrial hub going ahead. By 2026, 28, you'll see a lot of growth happening in the semiconductor industries.
So, as you said, the semiconductor industry is been expanding and growing massively. So, what opportunities do you see for MSMEs and startups in semiconductor and electronics manufacturing ecosystem?
Talking about the MSME, there's a lot of provision that is being given by the government for MSME. There are a lot of facilities that have been provided, and looking at semiconductor, the way it's growing, and the global players are investing a lot. So MSME companies are going to be facilitated with more possibilities to upscale their businesses, to get into the greenfield projects, have the manufacturing setups here. So MSME is going to really flourish over the time in the semiconductor industries.
So, how important do you think R&D is in semiconductor, and how do you think the country is meeting its standards?
R&D is going to be the major factor in India because when you are going to get the globalization shifted to India, there are a lot of research and development that needs to happen within India, and we see a lot of opportunities with the youngsters, with the talent pool that India has got. There's a lot of opportunities where we are going to get into processes using different technologies like lasers, like vision systems, to bring in all this in collaboration to get out this semiconductor as a product into Indian market, which is going to facilitate a lot going forward.
What are the bottlenecks do you think that semiconductor industry is facing?
The bottleneck as of now, I do see the schemes that the government is trying to bring in. So we have the other countries like China and all who are already into this industries. Their technology, the supply chain is something that India has to start working towards it. If you see countries like Japan, if you see countries like China, the supply chain is predominantly much better than what is there in India, which caters into the semiconductor industry. And that's where India has to start focusing on, because we got a huge talent here. We have a huge pool of youngsters here, which can suffice these issues. But jointly working with R&D and supply chain, I think they should be addressing their concerns.
So, what are your views on how this emerging technology like AI, IoT, and blockchains are helping or influencing in semiconductor manufacturing?
The industry is heading towards this AI based solutions, IoT. It is basically driving towards it. What basically now is happening in this industry is every product that goes out needs to be quality assured. Earlier days, the quality was a part of industry, but today it has become a mandate for each and everything. So when you talk about AI, you got multiple subsets of AI like deep learning, machine learning, which becomes an integral part to have the best quality products that are going to come out in the market. So IoT also plays a very large role because every product that goes out into the market can be tracked with each codes, and you can really arrest all the defect products and call back in case there's any defects. So that's some positive signs that we see working on IoT and AI.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice talking to you, and thank you so much for sharing the industry insights related to semiconductor.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to meet you all. Great show. Thank you.